Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an easy flat back gift card holder. Let's get started. I'm going to be working today with the lovely penciled pear stamp set. I just love this artwork and this font as well. We're not going to be using the font today, just the pears. So I've already stamped the large pear in Tuxedo Black Memento ink on a piece of scrap basic beige. And I'm also going to stamp this line of pears at the bottom of this piece of basic beige that measures 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. So I'm starting with the lightest color first, which is the Lemon Lolly for the Stampin' Blends. Switching over to the light and dark lemon line. No need to be neat. And then I'm going to use some of the light wild wheat. And then I'll switch to the dark. And then light blackberry bliss. And then I'm going to go back to the dark wild wheat. And then switching to the light. The leaf is going to be the light and dark mossy meadow with a hint of the lemon lime twist to brighten it in the middle. And then the dark mossy meadow. And then back to the light, back to the lemon lime. And then I'm going to repeat all of that, but on a smaller scale for these. I have a scrap of basic beige that is 2 1/4 across. And I don't know what the dimension is that way, but it does not matter. I'm using sentiments from the Greetings of the Season set, clear embossing powder, Versamark ink, and wild wheat ink. And I'm applying Versamark first, then wild wheat, and same thing to the word Mary. And now you have a nice shiny gold sentiment. Okay, I'm going to trim this one down at the top. I have a piece of Blackberry Bliss cardstock and it measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have a piece of wild wheat cardstock that measures 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And I have a piece of the Season of Elegance Specialty Designer Series paper. So one side is kind of matte and like paintbrush strokes, and the other side has this beautiful gold foil. And this piece measures 4 inches by 9 inches, and it's scored on the long side at 3 inches and 6 inches. And I'm gonna fold this with one panel up with the foil, one panel going across, and one panel coming back. And this is going to form a pocket. This is a retired punch, that's a retired oval punch, but you can use any type of oval or circle, whatever you have in your stash. And I'm going to put just a little finger hold here. And then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to add glue around 3 sides. And fold that over. And now we have a nice little pocket for a gift card. If you're wondering why I have this bandage on my hand, it's because I splashed boiling water on my hand the other day and gave myself a very nice burn. It's not pretty to look at. At least I'm able to move my thumb now. I couldn't move it for several days. Anyway, back to card making. So now it's time to assemble. So we're going to mat this onto this piece here. Here's the little finger hole for the gift card. So I'm just gonna close this and center this here. And then this is going on here. This is going on the back. Then I have this gorgeous wild wheat ribbon. Reverse tweezers come in very, very handy for tying knots. If you don't have a reverse tweezers, you could also use a glue dot under the center there to hold it. And this I'm popping up on dimensionals. And there you have it, a flat back gift card holder with room on the back for your message. Find written instructions over on my blog at If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!